In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up RSI alerts on Tradingview. By the end, you'll have reliable RSI alerts that let you know when price momentum reaches key levels. So you don't have to stare at the screen all day. Start by opening your chart. Pick the symbol and time frame you want to monitor, because alerts will follow the chart's time frame you create them on. For example, an alert set on a 15-minute chart will evaluate each 15-minute bar. This helps you match alerts to your trading style, whether you prefer faster intraday signals or slower swing signals. Next, add the RSI indicator. Click the Indicators button at the top, type Relative Strength Index, and select it. You'll see the RSI panel appear below your price chart. The RSI measures momentum on a 0 to 100 scale. Many traders watch 70 as an overbought region and 30 as an oversold region. You don't need to change any settings for this tutorial, but keep those levels in mind because they're what we'll use for the alert triggers. Now, open the Alert menu for RSI. Right-click directly on the RSI line or anywhere inside the RSI panel, and choose Add Alert on RSI. Make sure you are clicking inside the RSI panel, not on the price chart, so you are creating an alert tied specifically to the indicator. Time to configure the alert. Under Condition, choose RSI. Then select how you want it to trigger. Crossing means it will fire when RSI moves through your chosen level in either direction. Crossing up fires only when RSI moves from below the level to above it. And crossing down does the opposite. If you want a simple overbought notification, choose crossing up with a value of 70. For oversold, choose crossing down with a value of 30. Enter your level in the value field. Whole numbers like 70 or 30 are most common, but you can use decimals if needed. For frequency, select once per bar close for better reliability. This waits until the candle closes, reducing false alerts from intrabar spikes. If you only want to be notified the first time it happens, choose once. Under Notifications, pick how you want to be alerted. Notify on app, show pop-up, or send email. You can enable more than one so you don't miss it. When everything looks right, click Create to activate the alert. You'll see it listed in your Alerts panel, and it will start monitoring immediately. That's it. Thanks for watching.